Good to see you again. This week we want to talk about some certain sounds. And those sounds are the ow sound and the ow sound. But sometimes we have them sounding differently in some words. Now, this ow sound, we have it sounding as cow, 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 ow, cow. Ow, frown. Ow, brown. So this is the ow sound. Sounds in that way. Now we also have that ow sound, but sounds differently. This sounds O when you see it in some other words. And what are these words? The first one says show. Sh-o. Sh-o. Show. The next one says flow. F-o. F-o. Flow. And the last one here says slow. S-o. Slow. So whenever you see this sound, you know they sound differently in some other word. Some word ow and some word o. Now the next one says ow. Ow. Found, 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 pound, pound, ground, ground. Now, this ow also sounds differently in some other word, and it sounds ooh, cook, cook, soup, soup. Group, group. So whenever you see this ow sound, you should know it sounds differently in some word, in some other word. Ow and ooh. Thank you. We'll see you some other time. Bye.